Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, it's Jessica here, and I'm so excited to take you to my favorite place in the world, the charming beaches of TAMARIU and CADAQUÉS in Spain. So don't forget to hit the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. We're starting off in the small fishing village of TAMARIU. This is a small, secluded beach that's perfect for taking a leisurely stroll. The views here are simply breathtaking, and you can't help but just slow down to take it all in. You can feel the peace and serenity here, and it makes it the perfect spot for a relaxing getaway. Heading further on is the stunning beach of CADAQUÉS, where the crystal clear waters and soft, whites and make for an incredible sight. Here, you can take a dip in the sea or just soak up some of that unforgettable Mediterranean sunshine. There are plenty of restaurants to choose from as well, so you can really make a day out of it. Regardless of what you choose to do, you're sure to experience some memorable moments. The blend of beautiful natural surroundings and the relaxed, laid-back vibe of the area makes it a great spot for some gentle exploration or a little time. The beaches of TAMARIU and CADAQUÉS offer something all year round, and no time is ever wasted here. I hope you enjoyed this stroll through some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, and don't forget to click that like button, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. See you soon.
Rồi, lưu ý nhé, dạ, tim số 1 ơi, tim số 1 ơi, mình đứng sát vào để
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!